Alright guys, welcome to my very first, I have no idea actually what this is. So, I am actually driving my bike home. This is my very first ride in a bike. I don't know, I have never driven a bike on the street like ever before. I have no idea how that actually is going to go. It's actually kind of hard to explain because I don't know, like I said, I haven't really been riding a bike before. And so I am about to have a really high mountain to climb, which is kind of funny because I only have a 125. I don't know if I can make the angle it goes on, and I like that it's nice weather. Am I still recording? I am. So I like that it's nice weather, but it's like actually cold. I know I forgot a second sweater. I wear these weird ass cheap gloves. So as a beginner bike, a Ninja is, I mean, it's kind of cool. I look hella cool, I feel like, right? But I have no gear gauge. I have no idea which gear I'm in. And I'm actually really... Second exit? Okay, I have no idea if you even hear my headphones. So second... Should I indicate? Yeah. Okay, so I turn right. And this is the mountain we have to climb. I really need to learn clutch control and shit, but I love this already. Can you chill? About 12 kilometers, so we have a really nice ride now. Basically be all country road, so that's kind of cool. Should be really nice to look at. And fuck, I'm freezing my ass off already, and I'm like going half the speed limit we're about to have. Damn. So I actually... So I... That was cool. I've never... Wait. Can I... I have never driven a bike before. I think it's windy though. You gotta be kidding. That thing is supposed to do 117. And it's just like, no! It's just not. What the fuck? So I'm already disappointed. That's weird. I mean, I can go the speed limit and all, but have I like forgot? Do I have a gear left? No, I have no gear left. That is so damn disappointing. I mean, I don't need to go 100 everywhere where I go, but this already like really sucks. I didn't expect it to just be kinda that slow. Don't know what's going on, to be honest. That's actually like really weird. It should be quicker than that. It really should. But that's the thing, I am new to riding, but I could like actually tell. I've watched videos about the Ninja 125, and I know that they like in freedom units I just hit 60. Like basically almost 60. It's supposed to hit 73. But it like didn't. This is so hard to explain, but you can tell that it's like taking away the gas, which it shouldn't. It just shouldn't do it. Now it stops me. I can tell that it's braking. It's taking away the air, I think. I know why it does this. But it's like way too early. It shouldn't do it at zero speed. I know it's my first ride and I'm complaining about how it's not fast enough, but dang, brother. I'm planning on using it almost always. In like urban situations, going through the city. Where this is enough, but sometimes you have to go like country roads like this. Look how beautiful it is. It's doing its best. I wanted to drive that thing on the Autobahn for a video. And now this is like barely possible. I am so disappointed. Something is like clicking. I wanna go fast! This is not fast! This is too slow! Fast! Fast! I am actually kind of disappointed, not gonna lie! Look how it just won't do what it can! Mom! Mom, what happened? What did we do? I don't know, my mom wasn't involved in anything. It was me and one of my best friends who had like the weirdest ideas with me. But it's so weird. If I know that there should be like 15 more kilometers on the dash and it stops me right here, this is so fucking annoying because this is not what I paid for. And I don't know if I can repair it or if I just got juked and this version of my Ninja can. That would be so freaking weird, brother. That would be so fucking weird. It sounds hella good. I'm going to do a whole video on like showing you the bike and all. It's going to be one of the most cringiest videos you've ever seen because like I said, I haven't really driven a bike before. So I'm like, I don't know how fast can I be here. So my clutch control is off. I just am not good at it yet. I mean, it's hella fun, but still fucking annoying that I can. Yo, this is what I came for. Like those roads, I'm still not good enough at driving. I should have taken the corner like I just did. It felt like hella cinematic in my head. It felt hella cinematic in my head, but on YouTube this probably just looked like, oh my god, ooh, that guy hella slow. So I need to work on maneuvering shit, like doing that fuck, like doing that shit. being crazy boy. Woo! Damn, I didn't shift down enough! Oh my god, I'm the worst racer of the world! Don't call me even racer! What am I talking about? I'm so shit at this! But I'm really good at talking to myself! And it stops me again. Fuck you, Ninja! Fuck you! I have no idea why you're doing this to me! Why are you doing this to me? There's cars behind me now. So this is hella annoying, having cars behind me. Because, like I said, I'm driving first time. So, don't know if I... I'm not fast enough! Not fast enough. Hella disappointed. Hella disappointed. Do I have the gear one? No, I don't. Okay, so actually the not having a gear gauge isn't too bad because that is so dumb. I need to Google that ASAP. That's stupid. Like there's a solid 15 kilometers missing, which I should be getting. I played full the whole night. I want to get my whole hose bar. Is it because of the fucking new exhaust? Am I repeating myself? Am I going crazy? All those answers. I guess. Okay, nice. So, alright, thank you if you made it this far. Probably just going to upload kind of the highlights of that stuff. And yeah, like I said, I need to learn the clutch. I need to learn how to control that thing. Obviously, it was my very first ride. It was kind of scary, but then again, I was annoyed enough about my about the horsepower limiting factor. I don't know what that was, but yeah, sure. We'll see about that. So yeah, thank you if you made it this far. See you in the next one. Bye.